Today's a little good bird day because there's a lot of seeds around and the ducks are hungry, as you see. Hi duckies, say hello. Hi little duckies. They're eating all the bird seeds. Let's go see where else there's seeds. I'll show you where else there's seeds. Take a look at the pond today. Hopefully you can see this a lot more better and a lot more clear. Oh, there I saw a cardinal. There's a beautiful cardinal. I think you'll see that in the first video. Hopefully I'll see more. But there'll be down here. There'll be one following me, I think. Maybe. Hopefully. Or maybe more. I can hear the twerps of a cardinal. By the way, the black and white bird with the little red hat on top, or the red head, that's a woodpecker. I found that out. I think it's the red belly, not red belly, but that's a red head, whatever they call those things. But it's a woodpecker. Anyway, over here, and this little stoop is a sun seed, sunseed. Oh, anyway, it's a bell full of sun seeds, and I have suet. I'll bring that over here, and a whole bunch of birdies are gonna go crazy for this eventually. Hopefully I'll get that on film. Oop. Oh, I see who's eating it. Mr. Squirrely. Hey, Squirrely, don't be eating the sunflower seeds. See, there goes the Squirrely. Squirrely, what are you eating all that food for? There goes a Squirrely. I knew he was gonna come. He always takes the stuff. He's a crook. Oh, there's two squirrels. Two squirrelies. Two! Oh, bad. They're bad. They're always eating the stuff that the birds get. And I don't have stuff to protect the bird stuff. Bad squirrels. So the birds have to share it with the damn squirrels. Damn squirrels. Oh, damn. Nature. It's not the ducks, it's the damn squirrels. Poor little birdies. Poor little babies. One duck just got ducked. Well. Let's move on. Let's keep on walking. Squirrels are just gonna eat the hell out of that damn thing. It's just unfortunately. Oh dear. Oh dear. Oh ducky. Oh ducky, ducky, ducky. I'm just kidding. I just feel like, oh ducky. Quite ducky today. Oh dear. Where the hell is a damn cardinal when you want them? Oh, Connie's back there. I could hear him chirping. He's following me. He's being uncanito. Oh dear. Oh dear. Come out wherever you are. Don't be shy. Where's those little woodpeckers and the nuthatches and oh dear. Where's my birdies? Pretty bird. I could hear it. There you are. I think that's you. Yep, that's him. Just you can't see him. Only I can. It's a terrible, terrible camera. Damn. I do believe it's the same one that was following me earlier. Good boy. I see a squirrel. He looks like the same size. That's why I say so. He's small like he was before. Now he's harder to see even for me. But you can hear it. Good boy. I love you. Pretty boy. Pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. You're a pretty boy. You're a good boy. Pretty bird. You're a pretty birdie. You're a pretty boy. Yes, I wish you would come down here so I could see you a lot closer. Come here. Oop, you're too far. Sorry, I'm bad with the camera. Dang, didn't know my hand dropped. Oh well, I'm gonna bring you down. I'm gonna show you the squirrel maybe. He's over there. See him? I don't know if you see him. So anyway, Cardinal's in this tree. He's even hard for me to see, but he's over there. Well, I'm gonna sign off because, oh, there he goes. Okay, I'm gonna go over here. See if I can go over here.